Welcome to this Jet Worldwide presentation, Shipping to Canada from Malaysia. This presentation explains the fundamentals of international shipping from Malaysia. If you're involved or want to get involved with international shipping, you should become familiar with these basic concepts. To assist in navigating this video, each subject is presented section by section, from the data necessary for customs declarations, free trade, non-resident imports, to best shipping modes and parcel carrier options. An accompanying PDF with additional information and reference links is available on our website or in the description below. Let's get started. First up, HS codes. Malaysia actually uses two classification systems. There's a set of codes, AHTN, for trade between the Association of Southeastern Asian Nations, or ASEAN, which Malaysia is a part of, and a separate set of HS classifications are used for trade with non-Asian countries, such as Canada. For help with translating your product description to an HS code, visit our HS code blog, which includes an in-depth video presentation. For assistance with finding a Canadian HS code, you can go directly to the Canadian Customs Tariff. Alternatively, a great resource to consider is the online tool from the Canada Export Development Corporation. Declared value. In the majority of cases, the correct value to declare at export and import is the transaction value. The transaction value is simply the price paid or payable for the goods. Canadian Customs, CBSA, considers the value for duty to be the cost of goods plus shipping and insurance, known as the CIF value, cost, insurance, freight. Best to specify these three costs on your invoice. If the transaction price is inclusive of shipping and insurance, you should include the term CIF value. In some cases, there is no direct transaction, such as sending samples, warranty parts, or transfers between related entities. Visit our blog on valuation for additional information. Country of origin. Just as shipping from Malaysia to Canada is not the same as shipping Malaysian origin goods. Malaysian origin goods are those that meet the rules of origin defined within the CPTPP Free Trade Agreement, which we'll discuss later. All shipments from Malaysia are subject to standard import processing. The default most favored nation duty rate will apply, unless the goods qualify as originating. There are restrictions on specific categories, including food, drugs, and alcohol. Resulting duty assessment. In most cases, import duty is determined by three main factors: tariff classification, or HS code, the country of origin, and value. The tariff classification and country of origin determine the percentage to apply to the value for duty. Note that all imports, even if imported duty-free, are subject to Canadian federal and provincial taxes. Visit our blog outlining other common Canadian import fees. Export declaration from Malaysia. Export customs clearance is a set of procedures necessary to export goods from Malaysia. Clearance is via the Royal Malaysian Customs Department, RMCD. The export may involve export duty and other charges. The necessary documents include a waybill or bill of lading, commercial invoice, description of the items, HS classifications, value, and shipping terms. Submission is via the RMCD e-Services online portal. Note that the tariff classification for export may differ from the Canadian HS code. The CPTPP Free Trade Agreement. The Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership, or CPTPP, is a free trade agreement between 11 countries, including Canada and Malaysia. The key advantage for merchandise or goods is that Malaysian origin goods can qualify for preferential duty-free import to Canada, and vice versa. Be sure to include a certification of origin if you're requesting preferential duty-free import via this free trade agreement. Non-resident importer program to Canada. The NRI program allows Malaysian businesses to get a Canadian business number. Essentially, you can become your own distributor in Canada. The requirements include record keeping and posting of a surety bond. Note that valuation or value for duty rules may differ for non-resident imports. Imagine sending your Malaysian origin goods in bulk to Jet Worldwide via low-cost ocean, clearing the goods as a non-resident importer, and having your order shipped on demand across Canada from Canada. Moreover, these same goods can ship from Canada to the USA direct via low-cost ground, taking advantage of the $800 duty-free threshold to the USA. That's the type of opportunity you have with Jet Worldwide. Shipping options: Malaysia to Canada and North America, returns and reverse logistics. The international parcel shipping options from Malaysia include the obvious choices of name brand couriers: FedEx, UPS, DHL, and the local post. In general, the Malaysian post services are best for individuals shipping personal packages. Contact our team for rates on international shipping for commercial packages and cargo. The best way or mode of shipping depends primarily on the size and weight of your consignment. The necessary time frame is also a factor, but cost usually wins out over a faster transit. Air cargo offers a lower price for smaller shipments. For larger consignments, sea freight is the preferred option. These are some of the factors our team considers to find your best shipping option. Jet Worldwide provides Canadian and North American logistics support. This can include receiving returns, forwarding across North America, and globally. If you ever ask the question, wouldn't it be great if we had a local partner in Canada and North America? Well, now you have the answer. Jet Worldwide. Consult with Jet's best-in-class logistics team for rates and project support.